There is a movie out that will completely rip the government apart and wide open the public's eyes. Because just think about it, what if you wake up tomorrow morning and find out that aliens really exist? The government has known for years, but they kept it hidden from us. So, what will make you angrier first? The fact that alien exist or the fact that brother such massive news was kept from us? And that is exactly where Disclosure Day begins. This Steven Spielberg film isn't a story about aliens invading Earth. Here, the aliens are in the background, and the real story revolves around the information being hidden from the world. In the film, Joshua Connor plays a man who gets his hands on some drives that allegedly contains evidence of alien contact. This means documents and records that can prove human and aliens have interacted at some point, and the government has known about it for a very long time. Now, if this information comes out before the world, it won't just make the news, it could change the mindset of the entire world. On the other side is Emily Blunt's character, who is a journalist. She starts receiving mysterious messages and signals. Initially, she thinks she is chasing a big story, but gradually she realized that the matter is even bigger than a political scandal. Her search leads her to the exact same secret that Josh has the evidence for. When the two meet, they realize they are running after the same truth. One has the proof, and the other wants to deliver that truth to the world. But the problem is that the government doesn't want this information to get out. And that is when Colin Firth's character enters. He is a government official who must stop Josh and Emily at all costs. He pursues them throughout the entire film. He has the resources, the power, and advanced technology that allows him to constantly track them. Because of this, the film gradually turns into a conspiracy thriller and a chess movie where two people stand against the entire establishment, and this is exactly what makes the film interesting. Because the question here isn't what the aliens look like. The question is if such a truth comes to light, how will the world react? When it comes to the acting, Emily Blunt is the life of the entire film. The moment she comes on screen, the entire focus shifts to her. She possesses that star quality that not everyone has. Joshua Connor also looked like great in his role, and Colin creates a sense of danger that is felt throughout the film without making too much noise. But the real player behind the film is Steven Spielberg. Man, even after all these years, this guy really knows how to build suspense. There are some chase sequences where you know exactly what is going to happen, yet you still don't feel like leaving your seat, especially the train scene. It was amazing. No other top action, just fantastic direction and incredible tension. And brother, John Williams proves even at the age of 94 that legends never grow old, and his music makes every scene even more impactful. Yes, the film is not completely perfect. Its pace slows down a bit in some places, and I felt it could have been kept a little shorter. Also, there is a mysterious device in the film that seems very interesting at first, but later it feels like the answer to every problem in the story lies with it. But despite these minor flaws, Disclosure Day keeps you hooked until the very end with its story. All in all, if you like conspiracy thrillers, government secrets, and a story that keep spinning in your mind even after the movie ends, then Disclosure Day will not disappoint you. From my side, this movie gets 7.5 out of 10 stars. Anyway, if you have watched the movie, let me know in the comments how you like it. And if you haven't watched it yet, go check it out because it is definitely a much better pastime than scrolling through Instagram reels for 3 hours these days. See you in the next video. Bye bye.